The depigmentation of the eyes,
which is used to modify the color of the iris. What it really does is depigment it. It is a double-frequency laser with a special wavelength, and what it acts on is the pigment of the brown iris. This does not make sense in a light color. This is used to depigment the brown irises and to change the color to a lighter, greenish, even bluish color if it is greatly depigmented.
focus moves to Barcelona, where the only clinic in Spain where this technique is practiced is located. Dr. Grimaldos has been applying it since 2012. Since then, he says he has treated nearly 6,000 patients.
The technique is very simple, because it is ambulatory, it is performed in the office, it is not painful, it lasts a very short time, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and it effectively and selectively eliminates melanin from iris and is perfectly compatible with any eye operation. Myopia operations, retinal detachment operations, any type of operation. The eye remains unchanged after the technique. The price ranges go from about €3,000 to €4,500, which are closed prices.
In 4 sessions, and depending on the color of the eye, they manage to change the color of the iris.
We introduced early on a new classification of eye color grades. Grade 1 as an almost blue eye from birth, Grade 2 as greenish, Grade 3 as a hazel or light brown eye,
Grade 4 as dark brown,
and Grade 5 as an eye with maximum darkness, very close to black. So, with the latest lasers, we obtained 3 main results. In lighter eyes, the result is always, by definition, blue.
light blue or normal blue.
In eyes with a little more pigmentation, such as hazel, the result is almost always turquoise. In very dark eyes, grades 4 and 5, are practically always gray. So, gray can have shades. We can have a silver gray color, a bluish gray color, a greenish gray color, but always in the range of gray.
If you want, find a fund.
Omega El Fuerte, a well-known merengue singer, attends one of his last depigmentation sessions that focus witnesses. It lasts less than 3 minutes.
I've been looking for this for 17 years. I knew that there was going to be a technique that would change the color of the eyes at some point. I had seen some like it was topping and that, but it did not convince me. And after a while I found that and I said, look, it seemed I found it. And I was waiting because the laser did not work on such dark eyes. It was first made clearer. And after they developed the new lasers, that's when I saw that darker eyes already work and I decided to do more. There is a change, of course, they are getting lighter, the pepper is leaving, there is a grayish blue below. I feel good with the result.
A result that is achieved after sessions of just a few minutes.
The laser, when it shoots at you, is something light, you hardly feel it. Look, I just made a regular room. There are a few drops that are every 4 or 6 hours to maintain normal eye pressure and to take care of any type of things, and from then on the eye lasts from 1 to 3 months, losing its pepper, throwing away the pepper that they gradually removed, and there you see the result from 1 month to 3 months.
We carry out the treatment depending on the degree of the patient in phases of 4 consecutive days. So, in each session, without the need to apply anesthesia, we simply instill 2 drops of artificial tears. We perform a part of the iris depigmentation each day, so that in 4 days we have completed the entire iris.